Hey beautiful people, it's Claudia. Welcome back to my channel. I have been away for a while. Let's call it a holiday, as the English can say. I've been away on holiday. The reason being is I needed a break. That's right. No other reason. I needed a break, and I was the only one who could break and give myself that permission. So, I broke for my birthday, January 11th. I went out of town, had a great time. No, I didn't vlog, but I did Instagram pics. So if you follow me at Miss Claudia Moss on Instagram, you got it. That's M-I-S-S, not M-S. Okay. And I broke because my thumb needed a break. Without further ado, let's get started on this look. This is a get ready with me. No, I'm not leaving the house. I was out last night for my belated birthday dinner with my son and his girlfriend. But tonight, I'm getting ready to do some looks for my Instagram gallery. Yes, a girl is showing up. A chick is showing up in 2019. And not only showing up, I'm showing up with lit looks. Okay? As litty as I can make them. Now, I cleaned my face, and I will share with you guys my cleanser routine, my facial cleansing routine in another video. But in this one, let's get on down to the brows. That's what I'm going to start with this clean palette. 61 years young. I'm going to start with this. I'm using Color Makes eyeliner pencil in black brown. Just doing light wispy strokes to create that brow hair look. To clean them up, I'm going to use my cute little cheapy eBay palette and get them cleaned up here. Did you guys see the blood moon? The super blood wolf moon? Oh, it was so exciting. You'll see it. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I am going to put some concealer on my eyelids. For my eyeshadow look tonight, for this Instagram Get Ready With Me, it's my Raye. It's my Raye palette. So that's it's my Raye times BHCosmetics, and this is a 21 color eyeshadow highlighter and contour palette, and it's so feminine and so sweet, just like Raye. And this is what it looks like. I'll just take my little covering off. I'm going in with Sunset, and I'm going to sweep that across my lid. That color is beautiful. Sunset. That blood orange moon was a sunset at night. Next, we are going to do a, let's see, what would go with this green? I could do a Black Beauty in the corner, but I don't want the look to be so heavy. So I am going to go with Passion. This kind of a mauve-y, like dark color right there. Ooh, this is really pigment. Starting on the outer corner here. I don't know why I'm moving. I'm going to work that purple. Oh, it's not really purple, it's a mauve. It is gorgeous. I'm not going to bring it way up I'm going to smoke it out but not bring it up here. I really like that. Giving them color, baby. Giving them color. Okay, Ray Ray. I hear you, girl. I see you. I am going to use my Beauty Treats glitter. It's really pretty. This is that green I wanted. This glitter is gorgeous. Own your spotlight. And my glitter is owning my spotlight. Okay guys, so I've got my eyes done. And now it's on to the foundation. But before we go to the foundation, and I'll be mixing my NARS Pure Radiant Tinted Moisturizer with my L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Makeup. We'll see how blendable it is. And this is in Deep Golden, which I think I got too dark for my skin complexion. So I will be mixing it with this. But before we do that, I am definitely going to prime my skin with Black Radiance's True Complexion HD Primer, 100% oil free. I've been using this in Natural Nude 8927 and I love it. See if I need some more. It's kind of light on now. I'm not usually light on anything. Behind that, I'm going in with my concealer, which is Warm Honey. Yes, I'm going to contour with maybe a bit of mocha and brownie light. So, because I'm really close to mocha. So, let me see. And now for a bit of pressed powder. I'll be using LA Colors Mineral Pressed Powder. Now, I'm going to go in with Raye's Radiant. Yes. Yes, Ray. You got it, girl. So what I'm going to use is my birthday gift of the NYX Professional Makeup Sweet Chateau. Come on out there. This is so cute the way it's packaged. And this is what I'm looking for. I am looking for this green color. I'm trying to see if it has a name. It is so cute. Plush Pop. I'm using an NK pencil, lip pencil. Let's make this green happen because I want green. Money green, baby. 2019 is money green. Hey guys, this is the final reveal. Thanks so much for watching, and no matter what, own your spotlight. Hey guys, stick around, watch some more videos. You know there's nothing much better to do than to stay here, just me and you, checking each other out. Bye. Love you. See you in the next video.